This is part 2 of adding manufacturers to your website or publishers to your products. In the first part, we dealt with how to add it to the back end. So when you add products, you could actually put in which publisher it is, and then they can search for it that way. In this tutorial, we're going to deal with how to make it on the carousel at the bottom of the home page. As we saw on the home page, that there is a list of pictures of, in this example, there's a list of different publishers that automatically just scroll through, and you can just click on one of them. Let's say click on this one, and it will load up every book that we have that is under, that we see there's a lot, that is under that publisher. Okay, so in order to get that on the home page itself, we need to add something to it. So as you see, we're back on the dashboard. We were just in manufacturers, where we added it to the you need to do stage 1 before you do stage 2. And what happened, right? And so once you've done that, once it's successfully been added, we're actually going to use a part of the site that we've not gone into before. You're going to go into System, and then go into Design, and then we're going to go into Banners, right? Now, as you see, there are only one of these banners that are actually active. It's called the Publishers. We will deal with these other two later. The first one deals with if you want to have a kind of like a slideshow on the home page of all the different major products, that if you want it to just scroll through, if you have pictures of different things or sales or anything like that, you can make a nice big slideshow on the front of the page as soon as people come in. These products is, it creates a box. When you go into other pages besides the home page, it creates like a box of like recommended products. We're not going to deal with these two at the moment. We're just going to go into Publishers. When you're in Publishers, we're going to click on this arrow button, this pencil button called Edit again. And here we have a list of all the different publishers that we have. All of these are on the website at the moment, right? Or on the home page. So we're going to go and click on this plus button, and here we have our space to type it in English. See this English flag. If we had Hebrew installed, there would be an Israeli flag, and we could write it in Hebrew, and it would be the same thing. So let's say we would write here Judaica Press. Now we don't have Judaica Press because in the last tutorial we deleted it. And then you would put here the actual you would actually put in the link that it goes to. So let's say Mesosah Shas, it has manufacturer ID as ID, right? It has manufacturer as 16. Here we could get the manufacturer ID by just basically you can get the manufacturer ID, well, at least the easy way, by going to the website itself, scrolling down until you get Publishers. This is why you actually have to have it added beforehand. And then let's say just click on Ozvahada, and then you see over here it has the website. See, it has the manufacturer ID, and you just copy this. In reality, when we actually, it will be whatever the website name is. This is just a server name that we're using, but we would have to change it manually to the actual website name later. So now that we have that, so we're going to copy this by highlighting it all, right clicking and pressing copy, and then going down here and pressing paste, or paste as plain text. This is obviously the wrong link, but this link, when it correctly, it would link to that page so people can see it. For this to work, you do need to have an image. If you do not have an image, it will not show it on this banner. So make sure you have a logo of the actual company, right? And then you put in the order, and this order will be the order that it appears on the banner on the home page. See, each one of these See, as each one of these are in a specific order, this order is created by the number that I input here. I have got 8 and I could just put in 9. When you've done with this and you've added your picture, added your site, added your name and placed in the order, you can press the save button and then it'll automatically update it. Or if you don't want to make any changes, then you just press the cancel button. If you want to take out something, you would press the remove button and it will automatically delete it. If you want to add more, you just keep pressing the plus, this plus sign, the add banner button, as much as you want and as much as you need. If there are 15 or 20 or 30, it's all the same, right? So we're going to get at it, and that is how you add. Manufacturers to the website and to actually advertise it on the website itself.